Okay, let's now talk about problem number 10. So the question is that um, we have x is between pi and 2 pi, and we're also given that the cosine of x is 7 over 25. And the question is, what's the sine of x over 4? Okay, so sine of x over 4 is equal to, well, it's going to be plus or minus again, more on that in a second. And the formula goes 1 minus cosine of x over 2 over 2. Now, is it plus or is it minus? X over 4 will be between pi over 4 and pi over 2, just taking the first set of inequalities and dividing by 4. So therefore, x over 4 is in the first quadrant, which means I need to take the plus 1 as opposed to the minus 1. Now, to get cosine of x over 2, I'll pretty much do the same logic again. Cosine of x over 2 is equal to, it's either plus or minus, more on that in a second, 1 plus the cosine of x divided by 2. Now, is it plus or minus? If I take this and divide by 2, I know that pi over 2 is less than x over 2, which is less than pi. So x over 2 is in the second quadrant. Cosine of something in the second quadrant is negative. So I need a negative here. So this is equal to negative square root of 1 plus 7 over 25 divided by 2. So that's equal to negative. And the top here is going to be 25 plus 7 makes 32. Divided by 2 makes 16. So negative square root of 16 over 25 for negative 4/5. And so finally, coming back up here, this becomes equal to, so carrying the calculation up here, this is equal to square root of 1 minus negative 4/5 over 2, which simplifies, I believe, as 3 over the square root of 10. So that would be the way of using the half-angle identity twice to solve this particular problem.